how to sell options on crypto app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can trade options in 4 steps. So first of all, you need to open an option trading account. It could be any of the crypto app. In my case, I'm going to go with the Robinhood. Once you open up your Robinhood application, click the profile icon, and from here you need to go to options. Now pick which option you'd like to buy or sell, and select what you'd like to buy or sell. I'm gonna go with the Bitcoin for now. Next, it's gonna take you to the Bitcoin options. Now predict the option strike price. You can go through it, determine the option time frame, and all sort of details. Now once the option has been selected, the trader would go to the option trade ticket and enter a sell to open order to sell options. Then he or she would make the appropriate selection, like type of options, order type, number of options, and expiry month to place the order. Then you successfully sell options on your crypto app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.